Sometimes all you need are two amazing cryptocurrencies. So we're going to check out two coins that I think could do really well by the next crypto bull run. And I'm going to try and talk about why in under 10 minutes. So crypto's looking juicy, $1.2 trillion market capital overall for the global crypto charts. And we're going to jump right in. So QNT, a coin I am heavily bullish on right now, $1.2 billion market capitalization. We can see it has retraced slightly, but that's not a problem. It is hovering around that $100 support level, but I am bullish on this overall coin because of its social dominance, its market dominance, but also just because it looks like we're pretty undervalued at the moment. $101 is where we're sitting. There is a lot of upside potential for coins like this one right here that keep on developing, keep on expanding their partnerships and going onwards more and more. The 1.618 Fibonacci and the 2.618 Fibonacci also suggest that $1,000 is very much possible for this particular token, which would lead to effectively the 10x. Now, the other part I want to talk about is quant social dominance. Well, not that, actually, the market dominance. So the overall market share this particular coin has in relation to the overall global market capital of 1.2 trillion. So that is 0.11%. Now we have seen this, unfortunately, get lower and lower and lower. So we have not yet seen the second wave for this, but I do think we will eventually come around and see another time where the overall market dominance for QNT does increase once again. We can see 134,000 followers for the QNT right now. They're constantly partnering, they're constantly building, constantly developing, and these are all ingredients for success within the world of cryptocurrency. It's that perseverance and consistency within the bear market world, and that's what you really want. And they're the ones with the long-term visions, roadmaps as well. Quant, the foundation of the blockchain economy. Do a bit of research on this coin, guys. Find out about why it can potentially keep on going. I mean, overall it gets a lot of talk in the influencer world. And I think you need to have a lot of social dominance across all these social matrices and all the platforms, but as well as that, you need a lot of market dominance as well. Market dominance actually follows the overall global market capital dominance. That's what's important. XDC, the other cryptocurrency that we will be looking at. Yeah, a bit of a red day, to be fair. But when we look at the month, it's been tremendous. Over a 2x for this coin within a bear market. So we're not even $1 billion market capitalization. Still got a lot of juicy volume coming. Why do I think this is good? Well, let's have a look. Because XDC surpasses Bitcoin and also Ethereum in many ways, such as transactions per second, the average fees, the transaction confirmation, and the smart contract support right there. Not only that, it's a much more green cryptocurrency, and many of us are, of course, worried about global warming and carbon emissions. So Zinfin, XDC, it could be another solid choice out there for people that are holding cryptocurrency. We have seen recently the market cap dominance reduced slightly over the last few days. Not ridiculously, but yes, there of course has been a drop here in the overall market dominance of 34%, but that isn't entirely a problem. What we can see with this coin is that the overall market dominance is consistently moving up from July, and we would hope to see a trend that does continue like this for XDC. I have identified a very key support range for this token at around 0.22, and we've had some incredible legs up recently, but it is a little bit oversold on the RSI, hence why we're getting that cool off period, and we do need to see a break back through of the $0.064 level for this resistance that we are now losing, because we are in a corrective stage. So we could still see this coin come down to the 0.053 level, but usually the short-term plays don't really matter that much when you are holding out for the long term. Anyway, we can see we do have some macro targets up here of the 2.618 Fibonacci of $0.47, which would give you around a 7x. And these are just very pragmatic targets. These aren't even crazy. So why do I think it can happen? Well, if the global market capital is currently 1.2 trillion and we have QNT market capital at 1.2 billion with a market dominance of 0.12%, currently we have XDC with a market capital of 850 million with an XDC market dominance of 0.07%. Now there's two scenarios I really want to sort of highlight right here. So let's say the market cap does a 5x to 5 trillion. This is the overall cryptocurrency market cap. So it goes from 1.2 to 5 trillion. But dominance for each of these two altcoins stays the same. Then the valuation will still go up, right? we're going to see QNT market cap, which is going to be 0.12% of 5 trillion at 6 billion. So for QNT, you would see it up to 6 billion, which is a nice 5x right there. Of course, the 5x will then follow for XCC being a 3.5 billion. But what if we see, for example, the market cap do a 5x of the global cryptocurrency markets, and then the market cap dominance of QNT XCC also actually does a 7.5% increase because they go parabolic, something crazy happens. Well, if that does happen, we can then see QNT MC go up to 42 billion, and then XCC up to 24 billion. So we'll be looking at 42 billion, which is around a 30x for QNT, and then 24 billion for XDC, which is still a 20 plus X. So you're looking at 20 to 30 to 40x for these two coins, in my opinion, by the next crypto bull run, just because we are looking at how the global market capital and the market dominance of each of these tokens does actually correlate and have a positive correlation with the overall valuation of cryptocurrency at any given time. You can actually see that in the charts. So it's coins that recover quickly. It's coins where loads of enterprises, investors, and whales actually do hold, and because there's so much value fundamentals within the projects, they do have long-lasting valuation as well. So that's why when we see the red days, they usually recover quite quickly. If you would also like to support the Jacob Crypobury Discord, we've got over 450 members that are now Patreon. So if you want to become a crypto warrior, a crypto champion, or a crypto legend, now is your chance before the slots that are very limited do sell out. So check it out. We've got budgeted tiers and packages for all people of all sizes from all countries. You're going to get trading signals, access to whitelistings, you're going to get ICOs, you're going to get stealth launches, DEX launches, you're going to get a free ebook, you're going to get private messages and any other cool stuff that you need. You're also going to get access to giveaways with a much higher chance to win. So check out the Discord down below, the Jacob Crypobury clan with over 15,000 members strong. Give us a subscribe, a like, a comment, because we're trying to be the realest, most legit crypto YouTube out here. We are the ones that really just want to thrive, help people learn, look at high risk, high reward opportunities, look at the OG cryptos in the space like XDC and Quant and all these things, and really just understand how crypto works and market cycles as well. So that's a wrap with this video. I hope you did enjoy it. I'll see you all soon. Like, sub, comment, and that'd be really lovely, because we just want to keep growing. See you soon, guys. Thanks for watching.